In the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit Cause number 22-3254, Malik King Achashvarosh, Adna Amihud, Ngola Mbandi, Chief Ambassador, and Von Maxey, Dual American National Republic, appellants plaintiffs, appeal from the United States District Court for the Southern District of Indiana, Indianapolis Division Trial Court, Cause number 1:2274-JRS-TAB versus Pangea Ventures LLC, Pangea Real Estate LLC, Pete Marte, CEO, Scott Larson, Managing Principal, Crystal Ball Agent, ZLJS LC, Indiana's Finest Wrecker, John Sluss, Owner, Courtney Janes, General Manager, Aaron Naylor, Agent, Corey Sanders, Truck Driver 99, City of Indianapolis, Chief of Police Randall Taylor, Officer Marcus Shields, and Officer Brennan T. Castro, Appellee's Defendants, Appellee's Amended Jurisdictional Statement, Come Now, Appellee's Pangea Ventures, LLC, Pangea Real Estate, Pete Marte, Scott Larson, Crystal Ball, ZLJS LLC, John Sluss, Courtney Janes, Corey Sanders, City of Indianapolis, Chief of Police Randall Taylor, Officer Marcus Shields, and Officer Brennan T. Castro, by their respective counsel, and hereby state that plaintiff's appellant's jurisdictional statement is not complete or correct. Accordingly, pursuant to the court's order dated April 11, 2023, and Circuit Rule 28B, defendants' appellees therefore provide the following amended jurisdictional statement. Roman numeral 1 Statement concerning District Court's jurisdiction. 1. The United States District Court for the Southern District of Indiana did not have subject matter jurisdiction over appellants' claims because appellants failed to properly plead any claims derived from federal law. Similarly, none of the statutes or other authorities identified by appellants in their docketing statement or in any filing with the United States District Court for the Southern District of Indiana were applicable to any of the claims asserted. 2. Appellant's assertion that the United States District Court for the Southern District of Indiana had jurisdiction under the commandments and prophecies of the Holy Bible is both incorrect and improper. Biblical jurisdiction is not a concept recognized by any court in the United States. Further, a secular court may not take sides on issues of religious doctrine. 3. The United States District Court for the Southern District of Indiana did not have diversity jurisdiction pursuant to 28 U.S.C. Section 1332. Throughout the course of this litigation, appellants have consistently referred to themselves as stateless. However, a stateless citizen cannot sue or be sued in diversity. Roman numeral 2. Statement concerning appellate jurisdiction. 1. The Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals has jurisdiction over this appeal pursuant to 28 U.S.C. Section 1291 and 28 U.S.C. Section 1294. 2. On November 18, 2022, the United States District Court for the Southern District of Indiana entered an order denying appellant's motion to amend complaint and dismissing all claims against appellees with prejudice, docket entry 92. On the same date, the court entered a final judgment against appellants, docket entry 93. On November 18, 2022, appellants filed a motion entitled Plaintiff's Motion for 3 Reconsideration of Deprivation, Infringement, and Fraud Onder and Final Judgment, docket entry 94, which was denied on November 28, 2022, docket entry 95. 4. On December 20, 2022, appellants filed their notice of appeal, dated April 18, 2023, respectfully submitted, Louis Brisbois Bisgard and Smith, L.P. Appellants in their docketing statement or in any filing with the United States District Court for the Southern District of Indiana as to its jurisdiction was applicable pursuant to Article 3, Section 2, 42, U.S.C. Section 1983, 28 U.S.C. Section 1330, 28 U.S.C. Section 1331, 28 U.S.C. Section 2201 and 2202, Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act of 1976, FSIA, the Alien Tort Statute, ATS, of any civil action by an alien for a tort committed in violation of the law of nations or a treaty of the United States to any of the claims asserted. The Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals has jurisdiction taken by appellants as a matter of right from the underlying order of the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Indiana, entered on November 18, 2022, docket entry 92, and its final judgment entered on November 18, 2022, docket entry 93, dismissing plaintiff's third amended, verified complaint with prejudice, docket entry 91, and its November 28, 2022, order denying 59E motion for reconsideration, docket entry 95, by Judge James T. Sweeney II. The United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit has jurisdiction to decide this case pursuant to Foreign Sovereign Immunities Act of 1976, FSIA, and 28 U.S.C. Section 1605-1607, pursuant to 28 U.S.C. Section 1291, 28 U.S.C. Section 1292, 28 U.S.C. Section 1295, Federal Rule Appellate Procedure 3, A, 1, B, and Rule 4, A, 1, A. The Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals may also find jurisdiction under the Alien Tort Statute, ATS, of any civil action by an alien for a tort committed in violation of the law of nations or a treaty of the United States. 28 U.S.C. Section 1350, 2007, under Federal Question Statute 28 U.S.C. Section 1331. The appellees and their attorneys have failed to mention any of these jurisdiction statements as the Seventh Circuit Court order them to do. Defendants' appellees have disobeyed an order of the Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals. All praises to the Most High Ahayah, Ashar Ahayah. I am that I am. Exodus 3:13 through 14, King James Version. May his will continue to be done.